Hello and welcome to INA Today with me Nazim. As the world joins together in harmony and peace, today marks a significant celebration, International Yoga Day. June 21st, International Yoga Day is celebrated across the globe with great enthusiasm and participation, established by the United Nations in 2014. This day emphasizes the immense physical, mental, and spiritual benefits of practicing yoga. The idea of an International Yoga Day was first proposed by India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Since then, it has grown into a global phenomenon, bringing together millions of yoga enthusiasts from various cultures and backgrounds.
Yoga brings peace for us. The peace from yoga is not only for individuals. Yoga brings peace to our society. Yoga brings peace to our nations and the world. And yoga brings peace to our universe. This might feel an extreme thought to someone, but our Indian sages have answered this with a simple mantra. Yat pinde, tat brahmande. This whole universe starts from our own body and soul. The universe starts from us, and yoga makes us conscious of everything within us and builds a sense of awareness.
From the bustling streets of New York to the serene beach of Bali, people from all walks of life have rolled out their yoga mats to engage in this ancient practice. This year's theme, Yoga for Harmony and Peace, highlights yoga's ability to cultivate a sense of unity and tranquility within individuals and communities. Yoga is not just about physical postures, it is a holistic approach to well being. It helps reduce stress, improve flexibility, and brings about a deep sense of inner peace. Special events and sessions have been organized worldwide, including massive gatherings in ironic locations like the Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall of China, and Times Square. Governments, NGOs, and yoga institutions have come together to promote the health benefits of this 5,000-year-old practice. Let's take a close look at some popular yoga exercises that have become favorite among practitioners worldwide. Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation, or Surya Namaskar, is a comprehensive series of 12 poses that work on every part of the body. It enhances flexibility, strengthens muscles, and improves cardiovascular health. The tree pose helps improve balance and stability. This pose strengthens the legs while opening the hips and improving concentration. Downward facing dog is a fundamental pose that stretches the entire body, especially the hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. It also calms the mind and relieves stress. Cobra pose. The cobra pose is excellent for strengthening the spine, stretching the chest, lungs, shoulders, and abdomen, and relieving stress and fatigue. Child's pose is a restful posture that calms the mind, relieves tension in the body, and gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles. Yoga is for everyone, children, adults, and seniors. It's a testament to its universal appeal and adaptability. Schools and workplaces are also integrating yoga into their routines, encouraging a healthier lifestyle for all. In India, the birthplace of yoga, the celebrations are particularly grand. Massive gatherings led by renowned yoga gurus have taken place in various cities, emphasizing the cultural heritage and continued relevance of yoga. With the rise of digital platforms, many have also participated in virtual yoga sessions, making it accessible to those who couldn't join physically gathering. This inclusivity ensures that the benefit of yoga reach everyone, regardless of location. On this International Yoga Day, let us all take a moment to embrace the spirit of yoga. Whether you are a seasoned practitioner or a beginner, today is a perfect day to start or deepen your practice. Happy International Yoga Day. Thank you for watching Aina Today.